luxury itself just changed forever. Because the 2027 Mercedes Maybach S-680 is not normal. This thing doesn't arrive quietly. It makes an entrance. The moment those crystal LED lights switch on, the moment that massive chrome grille appears in your mirror, everything else on the road suddenly feels cheap. And trust me, what Mercedes created here is honestly unbelievable. This is not just another luxury sedan. This is a rolling private jet built for the street. And the craziest part? Mercedes didn't make the new Maybach loud. They made it powerful through presence. Smooth, clean, silent, but terrifyingly expensive looking. One glance at the front design, and you instantly understand. This car was never built for average people. That illuminated grille, those razor-sharp digital headlights, the endless chrome detailing, the ultra-long executive body. Everything about this machine screams authority. Even standing still, the Maybach S-680 looks like it owns the entire highway. And then, you notice the paint. That deep metallic finish, reflecting light like liquid glass. The body line's smoother than anything we've seen before. The way every reflection moves across the surface. This doesn't look like a car anymore. It looks handcrafted. Engineered like a luxury timepiece. And Mercedes knew exactly what they were doing. Because this new Maybach isn't trying to compete with normal luxury sedans anymore. No, this thing is targeting Rolls-Royce directly. The side profile alone feels unreal. Massive luxury wheels, ultra-clean proportions, hidden luxury details everywhere. And somehow, despite being this large, the design still feels elegant and aggressive at the same time. That balance is incredibly hard to achieve, but Mercedes absolutely nailed it. And wait until you see the rear design, because this might be the cleanest luxury rear end Mercedes has ever created. Slim, futuristic taillights, smooth chrome integration, perfect lighting signature. Everything feels premium. Everything feels intentional. Nothing looks over-designed. Nothing feels fake. It's pure executive presence. But the real shock begins the second you open the doors. Because the interior of the 2027 Maybach S-680 looks more expensive than some luxury apartments. Soft quilted leather everywhere. Crystal-inspired controls, real wood finishes, massive digital displays floating across the dashboard. And the ambient lighting? Absolutely insane. At night, this cabin transforms into something that feels straight out of the future. The seats don't just recline, they practically turn into first-class airline suites. Rear passengers get unbelievable legroom. Executive tables, luxury entertainment systems, premium sound surrounding the entire cabin, and complete silence. That's the scary part. Inside this Maybach, the outside world disappears. Road noise? Gone. Engine vibration? Almost non-existent. Wind sound? Nearly impossible to hear. Mercedes engineered this cabin to feel isolated from reality itself. And under the hood, this monster still carries serious power. A handcrafted twin-turbo V12 engine, delivering effortless acceleration with absolute smoothness. No drama, No struggle, just endless, silent power. The kind of acceleration that feels dangerous because of how smooth it is. 1 second, you're cruising peacefully. The next, you're flying down the highway without even realizing it. That's Maybach power. Effortless, controlled, unmatched. And honestly, that's what makes this car special.
The 2027 Maybach S-680 doesn't beg for attention. It naturally commands it. This is the kind of car that turns heads without trying. The kind of car that instantly changes how people look at you. Because this isn't transportation anymore. It's status. It's power. It's presence. Mercedes understood one thing perfectly with this new Maybach. Real luxury doesn't need to scream. And somehow, it makes this car even more intimidating. The 2027 Mercedes Maybach S-680 isn't just a luxury sedan anymore. It feels like the future of executive luxury itself. And after seeing what Mercedes created here, one thing is very clear. The luxury car world will never look the same again.